Hey guys, and today we have Disney store exclusive diecast, the Tank Coat Tractor and Junior Moon. And these ones are pretty nice. The Tank Coat Tractor is big, and it's way bigger than Junior Moon, which is weird. And as you can see, it has the 36. Ears are rubber, so is this thing. And the tires are, the front ones. They can do that. Junior Moon, pretty nice. And the instructions they both come with show Lightning McQueen, Cruz Ramirez, Jackson Storm, Junior Moon, River Scott, Louise Barnstormer Nash. You got Natalie Roscoe, Mater, Fabulous Hudson Hornet. The Chase series, Jeff Corvette, Midnight Run, Lightning McQueen, Clutch Aid Tractor. I may get the Clutch Aid Tractor. Smokey, Track Damage, Cruz Ramirez, and the one I have. Collect them all. And Junior Moon came with these cool screws right here, and they were only $7 on them, so it was a good deal. And you can do a little and yeah, and under them they have the metal. The tractor has some pink under it. And shout out to our camera woman.
Hi, Maddie.
Excellent.
Probably know me from my channel, _Maddie9, and I am gonna change it to Unicorn Gaming. Before I started that channel, that was my name, so sorry guys.
And they're pretty nice. The one on my list I'm probably gonna want is probably Midnight Run Lightning McQueen. And yeah, and those screws that when the Junior Moon came with were pretty cool. They say Cars 3. And yeah, so what way to sign out? In 1, 2, 3. Bye.